so we went to Cracker Barrel and we got the few squishies. Okay, so first we got this cube squishy. This is one that my dad's been dying to touch. So I'm gonna opening it. Hold on. Let me go first. It's my squishy.
Let me see it.
Oh my gosh.
Give it to me.
Oh, it feels
How's
so
the consistency?
good.
Is it like Nido?
Yeah, it feels like a Nido.
Oh wow, it does feel like a Nido. That's cool.
Let's do a little ASMR. I really like this. It's so good. Okay, next squishy. So I only got 2. So yeah, it's a giant cup. And I was there, right? And I was like, we have to get this. You know why? And my dad was like, why? I was like, because there was a one girl and she was taking all of them. And I was like,
You're right. You know what she did? She went back to the table to ask her parents for money. And then she went back inside the store and got them all.
That's insane. How do you freaking open this?
Because when she went to the table, she didn't have...
We figured it out, guys.
I can already tell that one's full there. Right?
Yeah. I mean, it's fine. I just look like that. Ready, guys? A little ASMR. I'm gonna take off the hat. Don't walk up your dress. There you go, guys. And no, it did not pop. It just came like that. Oh my gosh, this one's like good. It feels like kind of like it doesn't really like residue on your hands, but like you know how it feels. But I'm so happy I got another duck fish because I took all of the air out of my recent one, and it's like all squished, like it's like all flat. It freaking looks like this.
Hey, you can't... Okay.
My
Promise?
dad. Yes.
Because you took the out of the peach, right?
Yeah.
And how's the peach doing?
Good. It's doing really good, actually. Oh my gosh! Look at all the air. Okay. My dad doesn't like it when I take the air out of my squishy. But anyways, bye.